Whoa! Alright, Ella, tell us how to do it. One, two, three. Wing! Good job. That's your cool trick? Cool, cool, cool tricks. Yeah. Hey, what happened to the cool tricks?
What happened to the whole trick?
Are you doing cool tricks?
No, I didn't want to.
You didn't, but Ella was doing a cool trick.
Something on. Nothing off. Excuse me, Jack.
Excuse me.